All right, let's quickly recap the key points in this section. So, you learned that we use JSON Web Tokens or JWTs to implement authentication and authorization in our Angular apps. These JSON Web Tokens have a header, a payload, and a digital signature that is based on the combination of header and payload and is generated based on a secret. This secret is known only on the server. We also looked at jwt.io, where we have a JSON Web Token debugger, as well as libraries that we can use both on the client and on the server. So in Angular apps, we use a node package called angular2-jwt. Now, as far as authorization goes, there are two things you need to look for on the client. You need to show or hide various elements on a page depending on the authentication status of the user, whether they are logged in or not, or maybe they're logged in but they're not part of a specific role. So you need to use the ngIf directive to show or hide various parts of a page. And by the way, you should never, ever, ever have sensitive information on the client, because a malicious user can always look in the DOM, look for the things that you have hidden. So when I say you should hide certain elements on a page, I'm talking about content that is not sensitive, like links to an admin page. But on top of that, we should also protect our routes, and we use guards to achieve that. So these are the things you should watch for on the client. Now, on the server, you may want to protect all or a subset of your API endpoints from unauthorized access. And once again, to do that, you use JSON Web Tokens. So on these API endpoints, you should expect an authorization header with a valid JSON Web Token in the request.